box seems pretty filled. Say goodbye, say goodbye. Well, here we are with our last box, which is day 25. And let's see if there's anything big or special in here. Merry Christmas, by the way. Oh my god. This is an XXL. Handmade in Ontario. Oh my god, these are literally... This is so pretty. And it's my color. You know that I love pink. So cute, so cute. And let's see what flavor we have. Oh, apple cinnamon. This one is gonna be good. Also, yes, hello to my brand new pink Blue Yeti that I got for Christmas. Alright, let's eat the last crystal in our advent calendar. It was an amazing run. Thank you so much, Silky Gem. And let's take a bite. Oh, oh. Very cinnamon. This one is extremely crunchy. Oh. Sorry I cut out because my phone's almost dead, but last bite. Cheers. Sorry if that was awkward there. But yeah, thank you so much, Silky Gem, for all of these crystals. It was amazing. Let me know what advent calendar you guys want to see next Christmas. And yeah. Oh my god, bestie, did you do your makeup in the dark? I'm gonna get you right cleansing balm to get this stuff off your face. You need like a whole bunch. Just gonna bring a little life back to your face, you know. Hey bestie, do you happen to have any blush? Yeah, I like totally forgot to put on some today and it looked kind of like dead, so I was wondering if I could borrow your blush.
this onto your face. Got a little bit of foundation on the back of my hand. I'm just going to blend, buffing it out. Buffing it out. Translucent powder. We're going to do some blush now. And just buff this into your beautiful cheeks. Cheeks. I'm just going to do a little bit on the nose as well. A little tiny bit